Touch kitchen faucets with pull-down sprayer. Industrial automatic smart touchless kitchen sink faucet with deck plate solid brass matte black. Kitchen sink faucet touch activated control. Our spring faucet can be controlled by touching a gooseneck. The faucet will automatically turn off after being turned on by the touch function for 3 minutes. Industrial faucet with 3-mode sprayer. Our faucet with pull-down sprayer has 3 modes: stream, spray, sweep. The sweep mode of this faucet can remove large stains very powerfully. 17.7 inches pull-down nozzle design. The 17.7-inch hose retractable faucet black provides great maneuverability to make your everyday chores easier. SECURAM Touch Smart Lock Deadbolt, keyless entry door lock with fingerprint, touchpad, high security keys, remote control, voice control via Alexa, easy installation, auto relock and alarm. 4-in-1 smart entry. SECURAM Touch Smart Lock provides you with 4 unlocking options: 1-touch fingerprint access, code entry, up to 30, high security mechanical override keys, 2 supplied, smartphone app. Remote control and management. Remote control via the SECURAM app that allows you to lock or unlock the front door from anywhere at any time. Bathroom sink faucet with digital display, temperature display basin faucet, temperature memory, high-lay hydroelectric faucet push-type switch, brass body, suit for single hole and 3 holes, chrome. Temperature display function. This digital display basin faucet has a water temperature display function. Touch kitchen faucets with pull-down sprayer. Single handle smart touch on kitchen sink faucets with pull-out sprayer. Stainless steel touch activated faucets, silver. Touch control technology. Messy hands? Touch on and touch off. Easily touch anywhere on the kitchen faucet with your wrist or forearm to start and stop the flow of water, or use the single lever handle manually. When not in use, the water flow will be off automatically within 1 to 4 minutes depending on the water pressure. Single handle kitchen sink faucet with pull-down sprayer. Single level pull-out kitchen faucet, brushed nickel. Easy to operate kitchen sink faucet with single handle design integrates to control water temperature and flow volume easily. Premium quality, lead-free brass is the best material for kitchen faucet, provides enhanced leak tightness and brushed nickel finish help your faucet perform like new for life. The ceramic cartridge reduces leak points. Survive 500,000 times open and close test.